Good day, you all. Well, welcome back today. I would like to share with you our process of solar panel cleaning again in this video. This is another project. So if you are the weekend warrior, you can follow the step to clean the panels yourself or maintain the panels yourself. If you don't feel comfortable with doing it yourself and in need of a service, you can call your local company, or you can call us if you are local to Fresno County. Call us at Hill Cow Solar Panel Cleaning. Our phone number is 559-663-0299, and we can schedule a day, come out and get it done for you. So our process, as you can see, the panels are pretty dirty. First step, we visual inspect your panels before we do the work to make sure that all the panels are in good condition. And then the next step, we rinse down all the panels with DI water to remove majority of dirt and debris. As you can see that dirt and debris can scratch your panels if we don't clear it out before we brushing it down with the cleaning brush. Get the big piece of dirt and debris rub against your panels, that would scratch your panels. So we rinse it down first to remove majority of that. And the layer of water would act as a lubricate layer to help our brush lighten on your panels easier and protect your panels against scratching. After we rinse it down, we use our cleaning brush. We scrub it down with our cleaning brush, either the manual one or in this case we use our rotary cleaning brush because this panel haven't been cleaned for many years. A lot of dirt and debris on the panels. We want to clean it with this rotary brush. It doing an excellent job as remove all years of dirt and debris off these panels. After we clean it, the next step is we let it air dry. We don't use towel or squeegee to dry your panels. We let it air dry. We take picture of the panels right after it's clean. When all the panels are still wet, you can see that the panels look amazing, like a mirror after it's clean, but not done yet. That's not complete the process to making sure that all the panels are clean. So we wait until all the panels are dry. We go over visual inspect the panels again to make sure that there's no mist spot on your panels. All the dirt and debris are already removed. That's why we take picture, and then we take picture when everything, all the panels are dry. That is when we say that the panels are free of dirt and debris, and the technician or the cleaner did an excellent job, a proper job of cleaning your panels. And if we see any missed spot, we will go over your panels again, because we have the right equipment to get it done fast and efficient, to get it done right. That's why we invest in the equipment to ensure that all the panels are cleaned properly, and also this equipment protect our technician from cleaning as well. Because water and electric don't mix, so that's why we use proper equipment and also DI water system. The difference is DI water system DI water doesn't have any ion in it, so when we clean it, it's reduce the chance of electric shock to our cleaner, to our technician, because water and electric don't mix together. That's why we choose to go with the safe route. Well, we want to have the proper equipment for our technician, for our cleaner, to get it done properly and safely, so that we can come home every day to our family. Yes, we go to work, but still want to come home with our family safe and sound every day. Again, if you are working weekend warrior, so those are the tips that you can use to clean your panels, maintain your own panels. If you are in the area of Fresno County and in need of our services, give us a call at Hill Cow Solar Panel Cleaning. Our phone number is 559-663-0299. We can come out and get it done for you. Thank you for your support. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video.